and welcome back to another video. Well, another DIY video. Today I am going to be making a vanity mirror. Well, it's kind of like a selfie mirror because I'm gonna make a separate mirror that's gonna be super blinged out, that's just gonna be for when I put on my makeup. This mirror is gonna be for me trying on outfits or, you know, whatever. If I want to take a full body picture, that's what this mirror is gonna be for. So I'm working on glamming out the corner of my room, like I said in my past video when I made my initials into flowers. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. If you need a selfie mirror yourself, or if you just want to see how this turns out for me, keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. So other than that, let's get to it. Realized that I went shopping yesterday for this project, so I'm just gonna insert that little bit of shopping footage right here. I look so shiny today. And so I cannot find puck lights here. I saw one, but it was super expensive and it was really tiny, so I'm about to go to Home Depot. They close at 10, I think, so it's time to check out, and all I got is a mirror and mirror tape. Alright, so to make this DIY project, we are going to need scissors. Well, this isn't E6000 glue, but still, it's similar. It's goop. They didn't have the clear E6000 glue when I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, so I had to get the closest thing to it, and it was goop. I've never tried it before, so I'm hoping that it works because it says that it's amazing goop. And so you're going to need puck lights. You can get these from Home Depot or Walmart or Lowe's or something like that. They come 3 in a pack too. So the two most important things you're going to need is something super duper shiny, and then the other thing I will show you later. But for me, I got this. Look at how thick that is, first of all. These are literally silver little stones with rhinestones on them too. And it's super duper thick. I got that from Hobby Lobby. This is honestly the most expensive thing. This was, it says $14.99, but Hobby Lobby always has a sale, so it's actually only $7.50. And then the last and most important thing you're gonna need is a mirror. So this is the mirror I have. Shoes again. This was actually on sale, to my surprise, for $2.50. But normally I think it's like either $8 or something like that, or maybe $5. I don't remember, but yeah, this I got for $2.50. So yeah, let's get to making this project finally. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. It's so lovely. You get it? It's so cute. All right, let's get back to it. First, I'm going to take this and I am going to cut this in half right here. You see where the line is, kind of. I'm going to cut this in half because this is something that they make that is perforated so that you cut it to your desired length. So I'm going to cut this in half, and then I am going to basically glue it to the sides of the mirror to make it sparkly all around. I thought of doing it like this, but I don't want to take away from the mirror to like line it inside. I don't know how that would look. So I'm probably just gonna do it right here on the edge. So yeah, let's get to it. First, I'm gonna measure the rhinestones out to the length of the mirror. Then I'm gonna cut it and then split the rhinestones down the middle so that it's the thickness of the border of the mirror. Voila, look at that magic. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top, just like I just did to the long side, splitting it down the middle. Now I'm gonna take my goop and drop little dots along the side of the mirror. And then all you do after that is then just pull the rhinestones down and make sure that you're pushing so that they can stay in place. This is super simple. It kind of feels funny doing a DIY on this, but it's super simple. And then like that, you're done, my friend. After we're done cleaning our mirror, you're gonna need some mirror mounting tape. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna open this and then stick it on the back. Voila! So I've put the mounting tape basically on all of the corners, and then I just like kind of evenly spaced it out and smacked one right in the middle. Now let's go mount this thing. And it is hung up. It looks so good. Now next we're gonna go ahead and stick the lights right here. This is a super simple DIY. We're just gonna stick 3 lights on the side of each, and then if I feel like I need more lighting, then I'll just get more packs and then put some more like at the top and at the sides. But let's go ahead and get them lights going. These in particular already come with the batteries in them. So they come with the batteries, but some don't. So if they don't come with batteries, you're probably gonna need AAA batteries, and you're gonna have to pop them in there beforehand. And then some of them, well, all of them should come with the sticky to go on the back, but in case they don't, then you'll just need another round of double-sided tape like we did for the mirror, and then stick that on the back. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take off the backing off of the back, and then you're gonna pop it on the wall. Voila! Look at that. It's done. Now let's make sure they all turn on. So all you do is push them, and they should turn on. Andy turned off, well, not turned off the lights, he closed the blinds for me so that you can see how powerful these puck lights are. They're really good. They're LED lights, so they're really strong. Oh, gotta take my hair out, right? Ah, wait, I gotta come back with my hair out. Now you have a selfie mirror in all types of weather, all types of lighting. Or you can take a picture. So cute. And just like that, this DIY is DI done. I always wanted to say that, but yeah, it was super simple, very easy to make, super cheap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make it, I hope you enjoy making it, and I hope it turns out even better than mine did, even more sparkly, or whatever it is that you want it to look like. I hope it turns out just like that. Don't ever be ashamed to look in the mirror, no matter what other people say, because you are made just the way you are for a reason, and you're perfectly imperfect, lovely. So if you aren't subscribed, I'm gonna say it again, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I don't care if it's only 80 something of you guys. I still appreciate it, and I would appreciate it if you followed me, or if you subscribed and became 89 maybe. I don't know. Whenever this video goes up, I don't know what it'd be, but if you become my new subscriber and join the family, I would really love it. Other than that, I'm gonna say bye-bye. So bye, lovelies. See you next time.